Alright, so it was our day one here in Orlando. So this is basically the pool side of our hotel, and the hotel was really nice. It had pool, it had gym, the food was really nice, and here Avantika is filming few videos for Instagram. And you know what actually happened? So the camera, it has an inbuilt mic, so I put up a external mic on my camera. I was just testing it out, and I did not realize that the mic was not on until today when I actually edited this video. So my mic's not on, that's why I'm putting up a voiceover, just to let you know, guys. So now we are going to our first location, and we were keeping our day super light because we all, last night we traveled and we don't want it to exhaust ourselves. So the first location is Disney Springs. We took a Uber, and the Disney Springs were probably 23 minutes far away from our hotel. And that time the traffic was there, guys, क्योंकि जब तक हम निकले तब तक 2-3 बज चुके थे, और ट्रैफिक के साथ साथ थोड़ा हमको ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. तो 30 मिनट्स हम लोग को लगे वहाँ पहुँचने में. मे बी क्योंकि ऑफिस से लोग निकल रहे थे उस टाइम पे, या फिर टूरिस्ट थे, तो इस वजह से ट्रैफिक थोड़ा ज़्यादा था ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. और हम लोगों ने सुबह में बस हल्का सा ब्रेकफास्ट किया था, लंच हमने नहीं किया था. सो वी थॉट कि हम लोग पहुँचने के बाद लंच करेंगे. तो हियर वी आर, फाइनली वी रीच्ड डिज्नी स्प्रिंग्स. वी हैड नो क्लू कि अंदर क्या होने वाला है, बट इट वाज अ लॉन्ग वॉक टू गो टू द डिज्नी स्प्रिंग्स. सो वी वर एक्साइटेड डेफिनेटली देखने के लिए क्या है. तो थोड़ा लंबा वॉक करना पड़ता है, और उन्होंने एक सेक्शन बना रखा है जहाँ पर सारी टूरिस्ट बसेस, या फिर अगर आप यूनिवर्सल की तरफ से तो उनकी बस, या फिर डिज्नी की तरफ से तो उनकी बसेस आती हैं, स्टॉप करती हैं. एंड ऊबर की भी लोकेशन बना रखी है. सो दिस अ सर्टेन पॉइंट. वहाँ करने के बाद यू हैव टू टेक अ लॉन्ग वॉक टू गो टू द डिज्नी स्प्रिंग्स. सो डिज्नी स्प्रिंग्स इज़ बेसिकली a small hub which has like amazing restaurants and then some good brands. It has some Coca-Cola outlets, some Planet Hollywood outlets, jahan se aap, it's kind of souvenir shop for Coca-Cola or Planet Hollywood, and you can buy things from there. It was nice, and overall the restaurants, like there were variety of restaurants, but again you have to walk a lot. It was kind of in a square, and then साथ में मतलब कहीं कहीं रेस्टोरेंट्स थे, कहीं कहीं शॉपिंग सेंटर्स थे. सो आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप वाज टू स्टॉप एट रेस्टोरेंट. सो वी स्टॉप्ड एट दिस इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट, एंड आई एम हैविंग दिस spaghetti and air fried, I think, some veggies. And the food was so amazing since we were already hungry, because वहाँ पहुँचते पहुँचते हमको 3:30-4 बज गया था. So we were so hungry. After food, we started taking some walk, and we wanted to explore कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. The Disney Springs was really nice, but again we didn't want to shop anything. We were just exploring and looking out for places कि कहाँ कहाँ जा सकते हैं, if there's anything exciting we can do. We didn't had anything in the to-do list today, just exploring the location. That's it. It was so crowded. So our Uber driver already alerted us that this location is going to be super crowded, because this is like one of the spots जहाँ पे tourists ज़रूर आते हैं. And he was actually right. It was so crowded. We did give some time to ourselves. We kept it aside ताकि हम कुछ अपने Instagram के लिए content भी shoot कर सकें, तो वो भी हमने किया. But the weather was so nice. It was warm, little bit windy, but again it was not on the cooler side, so weather was really, really nice. And if you ever go to Disney Springs, make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes. Heels बिल्कुल मत पहनना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत walk करना पड़ता है. Even if you're from Orlando or if you're going to travel, so make sure you wear comfy shoes. I did not knew that this is going to be an inbuilt cafe. दूर से जबकि लिखा भी हुआ था कि cafe है, but मेरी नज़र नहीं गई. So the architecture was really, really nice, and we went inside. We thought हम अंदर जाके check करते हैं, but Avantika went inside and got to know that पहले से reservations करानी पड़ती हैं अगर किसी particular famous cafe वगैरह में जाना है. So what we did next, we went to the Coca-Cola souvenir shop, और वो ऐसा था कि मतलब नीचे उनके 3 फ्लोर पे तो उनका souvenir shop था, and ऊपर टॉप फ्लोर पे दे had, you know, this Coca-Cola cup, kuch bhi le sakte ho. Like they had a food court kind of a thing. So you can go, enjoy the nice view. You can drink anything. Like, of course, you have to pay, but you can, you know, order and drink, sit there, just enjoy the view. So the view was really nice. We did not buy much from Coca-Cola, but next stop was M&M's. Now I am not like a huge fan of M&M's, but definitely the outlet was super fancy, so we wanted to check it out. And when we went inside, it was like a different world, you guys. It was so beautiful, so colorful, and they had like everything from sweatshirts to shirts to bottles to magnets to your, you know, just name it. They had every single thing from tumbler to, you know, clothes from the baby section, for adults, for women, for men, every single thing. And then of course the M&M, you know, the candies. And one of the thing which was very unique here was like this wall which has all the M&M flavored, you know, candies, and you can actually make your own. So just grab a bag, empty bag, and then whatever candy you like, you can just mix it up. You can take a single flavor, you can mix up the different flavors, and then according to the weight you can just take it. So this was very nice and unique. So let's say I'm kind of a person who doesn't like mint flavor, so it's totally up to me. I will not take the mint and I'll go for something else like chocolate or strawberry or anything else. So this was very unique. So we stayed there for a while because this particular outlet was so fancy and creative. So we went there. We again did not buy anything, but we were just checking out few stuff and just, you know, enjoying the vibe there. We were still in the Disney Spring by the evening, and it was already night, and we were just, you know, staying there enjoying the different corners. वो छोटा नहीं है, it is huge, so it's gonna take your complete day if you actually want to spend time there and check every single outlet. So अभी around 7:30ish हो रहा था, and we were like checking out some other outlets. There were restaurants जहाँ पे live music भी चल रहा था. You can go and eat food there and just enjoy the live music. That's it. And then we were hungry. We went to this Indian restaurant which was nearby a hotel to grab dinner. It was okayish. We did not like the food too much, but that was basically a day one in Orlando. And stay tuned for the day two, that what we're going to do. I'm going to be sharing that in my next vlog, so check that out. It will be coming after 3 days. But thank you for watching this video. See you soon, guys. Bye.